So, it's been snowing the past couple of days, and I got a nice drift track, which is all snowed in a little bit. Snow's not very thick, but it was gonna snow a lot more the upcoming days, so I don't know how that's gonna go, but there's a drift event. Oh yes, I'm sliding! Oh shit. Currently I'm filling up the drift car. Just want to drift a little bit on my private property, which there's not a lot of days of snow out here. It's pretty rare to see snow out here. It's usually freezing a lot, and when it does snow you usually are stuck with this molten slushy poopy shit. I don't know how to explain, but it's usually just like a slushy, and now there's actual snow. So last time there was snow, the radiator drain plug broke off and I couldn't find a bolt that fitted, so finally get a chance. It's gonna take a while. This is gonna be so fun. Kind of fun. I'm gonna set up a GoPro out there so we can film some donuts, I guess. Man, love that thing. Look at him. somehow I have not tapped the cone out here yet. I got it really close. Like I don't understand how I haven't hit it yet. And I got so close to that curb. I do not want to smash my wheels. It's just ice right now. At first it was snow and it was perfect. You had the perfect amount of grip and slidiness, but now it's just pure slidiness and it's getting kind of sketchy, to be honest. Man.
Listen to me. The teachers always called it a shame. They say I don't have passion the same as I did a few years before. They don't see the light there anymore. They call it sad, maybe outside looking in and they can't understand. I'm coping with everything, it was not what I thought. Still not living in me.
Okay, so it turns out my temps were all the way in the red, like cooking hot, and I was not paying attention. So I'm gonna let this thing cool down for a little second, and in the meantime, I'm gonna grab a suction cup for the GoPro, and maybe we can attach it in the back. And I don't know. Just want to get some outside shots of the car and like on the car, the GoPro. Yeah. Look at this beast. So, I was having a lot of fun. I wanted to let this thing cool down for a little bit, and now my starter is acting up. I've been trying to smack it a little bit, because it often do that. And for some reason, I swapped out this starter 3 times already, and it keeps doing that. Really hard to reach it, because of the manifold and all. It's just not fucking starting. Bro, fuck you. Perhaps we smack it from here. Just smack it a couple times. Please. Oh my god, no. 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 I smacked the fuck out of it. And it's just not doing shit. Come on. You little bastard. Oh. Bro! Bro! Okay, so after hitting it a million times with the good old hammer out here, this is the only hammer that fits in there because of the manifold and all. But we finally got it started, and we can do some more drift skis. But now my engine's cold. Yeehaw! Apparently it was gonna snow way more the upcoming days, and I'm absolutely loving this. But the only thing I'm scared about hitting is the curb. That curb is not that bad, but it could really fuck up your wheel still. But this one is really high. This one will like fuck up the body and my exhaust. That one will just take out my exhaust. So hello. So I was trying to catch some speed all the way from the back and do like a sick ass backy, but I killed my cone out here since it's freezing. the material is really hard and it's really not flexing, and we kind of broke the cone, which kind of sucks, but it's just a cone. I want to get a bunch more, but people ask a lot of money for them and it's pretty ridiculous. Yeehaw! So today's the next day and it's been snowing a lot. Like, look at this. My entire windshield was just caked. The snow is pretty thick as well. Yeah, I'm gonna do some snow skits in the van and have some fun. I'm also going to warm up the drift car and do a couple laps in the drift car tonight. I just love this. Like, this is something you don't have a lot. Usually when it does snow, it immediately melts the same day or something, and it's just a big slushy. But now it's really fun. You can slide the car, and it's just I'm just so excited, man. I'm out here on the parking lot, and this Punto was drifting. It was pretty funny. There was a guy with a Miata as well, and was doing some skids out here, and apparently somebody hit this tree, which is pretty funny. So yeah, we're gonna check out the track. It's 1 block away from here. This is like a little parking lot that they use for visitors. We're gonna have some fun. Oh, there's the Miata. Look. Ah, come on, focus. There we go. There's more people drifting out here. It's pretty funny, man. The van is absolutely caked in snow. We haven't had snow like this in a long while. Oh my god, so cool. I absolutely love it. Look at that. Even that crate is almost snowed in. Oh my god, it's so thick. Oh, I love it. Sheesh, it's so deep. When I went drifting with the van, apparently my license plate was just covered in snow and you couldn't even see it. So I was lucky I didn't get pulled over, but I just took the snow off with a brush. And I want to see if I can move it and drift a little bit. But I highly doubt it because, like, really high up. I don't know, I just want to see if it's possible. But yeah, my windshield keeps getting covered. I don't have wipers, so I don't know if there's gonna be any drifting going on. Apparently that's a no-go. I'm not even moving. Like, I moved it a little bit, but I'm stuck. So, no drifting. It sucks. Let's put this in reverse. Oh, nope. I'm completely stuck. I'm 100% completely stuck out here. Fuck. I can't just let this thing sit in gear and let it spin. It's kind of funny. Kind of sucks. Wanted to go drifting, but it's gonna be nothing. Look at this. Today it's been a couple days and I tried drifting before, but I couldn't get my car out because the snow was way too thick and high. Right now, all the cars that pass in and out have like flattened the snow, so it's kind of more icy, but it's flat. So I was able to push my car out of its spot, and it might be drifting a little bit, but all the snow is pretty high at my shop, so I don't know if I'm gonna get it stuck or something. It looks so good in the snow. Look at it. Okay, it seems like I wall tapped my exhaust. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's kind of dented and scratched. So I wall tapped my exhaust apparently, which is kind of crazy. I did not even notice that. I knew I was really close to the curb, but apparently I hit it slightly. Dang, it's crazy. I did not know, like I'm only noticing that now because I saw I was like kind of dented. Dang. Apparently my tires are bald as shit. Like I didn't even know because these tires are brand new. I did maybe an event for 2 hours and then my car broke down. So I barely drove these tires, but I don't know if y'all can see. They are pretty damn bald and it's the sticky kind of rubber, so I don't know. It's now I know why it's not moving at all. I looked around for different tires, but apparently I don't have any anymore, which kind of sucks. If I had some good tires, I could be drifting right now, but such a bummer. Damn it, I knew I shouldn't have done this. The snow was way too thick out here, it's not caked. And like, I got myself stuck. I made it this far. I honestly did not know I was gonna make it this far. I thought if I was gonna get stuck, I was gonna get stuck out there. But nah, I'm just beached out here. Kinda sucks, because I do not want my car sitting here overnight. Man, the snow is really high. It doesn't look that much on camera. I sound kind of stupid now, but just to give a reference, the stripes of the cone, I don't know. Why did I have to do this? Shouldn't have done this. I shouldn't have done this. I need winter tires. I need some new tires at the least, but I don't have any. So it turned out I had some wheels on my other Charmant, which I have not talked about on this channel yet. I did film a couple videos on it, but I have not uploaded it because I felt like the video was incomplete, or like, I don't know. For those that follow me on Instagram and watch my stories, they know about it, but these tires, they're pretty good still. They are summer tires, I believe. I don't know. Doesn't really say anything on them. It's kind of a weird brand. I don't know. But at least they're not bald, and we might be able to move and drive a bit. So let's try that out. Man, swapping these wheels took a little bit because getting the jack under the car with all the snow, not easy. And yes, we are able to move. Very slowly though, but we are able to move at the very least. So I can drive it out of here. And we'll be drifting out there then, because like it's way too thick out here.